Hi everyone. So I'm starting a video log series as well. I want to see how I show up raw, unfiltered. I think I've started some series earlier, but I was not able to sustain those, but I will try. And today I'm going to a client meeting, and then later on, I will most likely finish a book which I'm reading these days. That's Secure Love. And let's see how it goes. And I have read The Predator recently by Run YX, I think so. And her novel was good because I'm trying to get back into fiction writing because I'm writing a mafia and sort of bodyguard revenge romance. So I thought, let's try it. And I'm just about to go to a meeting in like maybe 15 minutes or something. So I thought, let's record a video log tab tak. And I don't know how it will turn up because I will be recording it in bits and pieces. I have seen many independent scholars and YouTubers record video logs like in bits and pieces because it gives them the originality, how their day went. And I think that will make me also learn how to talk in front of camera, show you the variants of my rays, and if I get time to record myself out there in the open, I'll try to record it. But bear with me, whatever it is called, that I might not be able to. But that's just me. That's raw me. I want to show you all the raw versions of me as I do in my blog content or essays or books and workbooks as well. So I thought, let's unwind myself in front of video format. And I hope you love it. I hope you learn something from it. If nothing else, just the confidence, just to yap in front of camera. And that's something that I'm also learning right now because I don't even know, guys, what to yap about or what to talk about in front of camera. And I have this fear in me that I might not have a lot of content to talk about, to be honest. I keep searching for content like ideas related to sharpening your voice or building worlds, characters for your novels because obviously I have that experience and I have been writing continuously for the last 5 to 6 years if you don't know me yet. And if you know me, you know me, obviously. So, yeah, and maybe later on I will give you some brief about my entire life too if you are interested to get to know me. Otherwise, you can find me on Instagram, Quora, Medium, Substack, and yeah, YouTube as well. So I make podcasts with my brother quite often, but I want to try talking on camera when it's just me. My brother is at office right now and he does not know. In fact, nobody knows that I'm recording this right now. It's just an experiment to see how it works and how the day goes. And I have quite an aggressive target of um video content for myself for this channel. I want to grow this channel like genuinely, guys. So you have to help me, give me more topics, more formats, even if you have any other formats than video logs or something like that. I'm trying to upload on Shorts. I don't have premium subscription for the video clippers, but I'm trying that. Some tools are there, you can see the watermark on the Shorts, and I'm trying as much as I can at zero cost to grow this channel with you all because I want you all to experience this as well. And I think one thing that I want my audience to take away from my content is the confidence to speak on camera, to be raw, unfiltered, despite the background, guys. Let's just not overdo the aesthetics when you're just starting out. I'm also starting out. I just have like 133 subscribers right at the moment. But I'm happy that you all are able to connect with my content pieces. And I hope that I will continue to educate you, entertain you, inspire you, or motivate you for sure. So, yeah, I have a client meeting. I did my morning calls, meetings, and I did some content work as well. I had a SEO related meeting. So I think this is me recording my life. So I don't know what to call this series as. And I often find that if I call a content format some series, so it gets burdensome on me. So I'll just give it a name like video vlog or video vlog one or something, day one or whatever. And yeah, so 2 days ago it was my birthday. I have turned 33, and I want to, gift myself the gift of monetizing this channel. And I want all of your support because I do not have a mentor or a guide right now. I have you all only as my supporters, whoever is watching my content. And I want you all to give me genuine feedback because I want to show the world that even an ordinary person can make it big with her dedication, with her support system, with her well wishers, which you all are if you're following me. Yeah, so I just want to be grounded, humble, not doing things overly. But yeah, if you all support me, I will definitely bring out more content later on. But that's later on. For now, it's just me, you, and the random things that I'll talk about on camera. And I might show you my books later on. Okay, bye for now. I'll get back to you later. Hi guys. So I am back from my meeting. I'm super tired, guys. And I just have to freshen up, and I had no mood actually, I won't lie, to record this video. But then I thought that I've started, this series of video logs, so I must at least finish this project for now because I'm super tired. I just have to get freshen up. I have to eat something. Damn, I'm super hungry right now. And then I will see if I will do some office work or some preparations for tomorrow's meeting or something like that. Or maybe I'll just read a book, or maybe I'll take a nap while I was driving. I took a nap, or shut eye. But still, I am feeling slight headache, feverish, or something because there was too much traffic, guys, today, and it was tiresome. I won't lie. And I thought I would reach within 1 hour by home. I've been to home, but I was not able to reach within 1 hour, and instead it took me more than 2 hours because of the traffic, and it was hell lot of traffic. And well, that's it for now. I will try to record more of the content in the later half of the day. Maybe bring my brother also for like a minute or two in the video log if he wants to come to show his face. Otherwise, you see him in our podcast episodes often. So I don't want to repeat that. But if he wants to, he can. I will ask him for advice. If you're interested to see how my day went like, so I will just be back like maybe in the next shot you will see me in a different attire or clothes because I need to change the clothes. I'm feeling a little bit uncomfortable right now, or maybe I'm just too tired. I don't know. So yeah, that was the major half of my day. I thought of recording while I was traveling, but I was too busy with my client meetings and with my boss and with my daily work on laptop and phone. So yeah, I did not get time to record videos as such. And just before I wrap up this session of my video, I just saw that my paper book of the book the Year of Deep Transformation is live on Amazon India, which I thought won't be live because Amazon does not really allow uh, Indians to order their paperback book. But I was able to order my paperback in India, and it's going to come by 7th or 10th September. And nobody knows that as of now, and I am going to give surprise to everyone around me. And if they listen to this video, then that's not a surprise anymore. But I want to show my family, my friends, the third book of mine in paperback. So wish me luck. I hope the print is okay because I'm not sure yet. I've not ordered the author copies because these are way costlier than ordering straight from Amazon India. I hope paperback. I tried this time for the first time the designing and formatting and stuff. I hope it's almost 80-90% okay. At least then I will get more confidence to release more paperback for you guys because I know a lot of you asking for paperback releases, especially in India because Indian readers just love to read paperbacks, which is not much of the case in international readers because they are adjust their reading habits according to ebooks as well or web novels. But Indian readers do have a knack for holding a book in their hand. So I'll try my best to bring more books of mine to India to you all readers, whoever is reading in India. Apart from that, I hope the release and launch of the paperback is a new step for me as an indie author and an indie publisher, dude. Yes. After such a big catalog, I definitely can call myself as indie publisher, and I have a lot of more ideas to work with more writers in the next few years to establish my indie publisher journey. But I think this year I have started the foundation of indie publisher journey, not just indie author anymore. So you will keep seeing these um, updates from me, and um, I have a tiny manifestation that I want to put out in this video. I don't know who will listen to it, who will view it, but while I was traveling back home from my client's meeting, I thought I wanted to just manifest out openly that I want to be approached, be hired, be onboarded by an American publishing firm. I don't know the firm's name yet, but I do strongly feel that I want to be discovered in American land, in front of American readers. And that is my manifestation. I do not have the time till when that manifestation should work, but yeah, I think I'll just give myself 2-3 years and look back to this video that I dropped a manifestation that someday an American firm, or maybe if not American, a Singapore publishing firm, just Southeast Asian firm, will discover me and help me launch my great traditional traditional author career. So till then, I will build my catalog, I will build my reader base, I will build my author friends, through my videos, my content, my threads, and etc. and etc. And I hope you all watch my journey and how it goes, because if not you all, then who? Because you are my initial viewers, the 133 subscribers out there. So yeah, let's see if this manifestation works out for me, and if it does, dude, magic really happens. And if it works within the next 2-3 years, you all know that you are in it for something big. Because if this happens, then I'm pretty much sure that I will be confident enough, maybe, to write amazing stories, which I obviously currently am writing amazing stories, but with the back support of a publisher, of a traditional publisher at a grand level, at a global level, I think I will do wonders for my readers, for my author friends, for my family, for my well wishers, for myself as well. So today I'm putting it out there. Let's see how it goes. And I don't want to take it long enough. I just want to give it 2-3 years for the publisher to discover me and to, have trust in me. And by that time, maybe I will have a good reader base, good audience on my YouTube, threads, Instagram, and some such. Let's see how it goes, guys. Pray for me, and I will keep coming back to you all with more ideas, more stories, more gossip, and more such video logs, because I love traveling, I love meeting people, and I love creating content based on my original thoughts, my original thinking. So let me just get ready, and I will get back to you with more some sessions of yapping just to complete my first video log, which I think had no purpose at all, to be honest. So goodbye. Hi everyone, I'm back again. This is the third or I think fourth leg of my video log today. And so my brother is about to come like in 10-15 minutes. So I thought of quickly recording the wrap up session of my video log. So I was well rested after coming from the client's meeting today. And I changed my clothes and I'm reading this book called Secure Love. I forgot to bring it on the video, but I will definitely maybe do some reading sessions with you all. If you are into reading and researching, you would definitely love this book. And if you are into improving your communication, your relationship skills, this is a book that you want to explore and improve your communication basically with your loved ones, especially if you have a partner or a lover in your life. That is it. And I did some postings on Medium, Quora, uh, Threads, LinkedIn. I have pretty much scheduled most of my content. Like I make a scheduler and a content planner, but sometimes I have some interesting thoughts in my mind, and then I can't contain them. Otherwise, I will forget them. So either I jot them down. So to create an article or an essay later on that. Otherwise, if I'm too motivated, so I just write the article or essay and then edit it and proofread it and then upload it right away. So I was writing this article on preserving your thoughts and being an original thinker. Maybe in description below I'll add the article later, which I uploaded recently on Medium. It's a very good article and it's a very original piece of mine, and you should definitely read it if you love reading original pieces of content away from AI slog. Seriously. And I think that's one of the reasons for me to create this video log is to, break the routine, break the AI slog, bring back the original thinking in my mind, in my routine. Because when you are in a corporate profession, you get used to using AI tools like every day, and you sometimes lag behind doing the research that you were used to do before the AI era. So I want to, bring back that habit of me researching, reading, reviewing, and I have started reviewing books again properly on my Medium channel, on my Medium profile. And today I applied for author verification for Medium as well. There is a provision which where you can, if you have like a paperback launched on Amazon, you can apply for verification of being like a verified author on Medium as well. So I applied it today, but I think it might take a month or so, as the notification said. I don't know. Let's see. Um, that was the major update today, and I bought the paperback book. I think I told in the previous section of this video log. I don't remember what I talked about because I was just too tired when I came back home after the client's meeting. And I'll just read some more and then I will go to sleep because I have to wake up early and do my daily routine work of deliverables and trackers and some such. And I talked to a very good person today on Quora, like a discussion on comment section on a very good question about decision making and pivoting in career and picking and choosing up choices in life, increasing your optionality, leveraging it. I think maybe later on I might make a video log or a lecture of sorts on optionality. Being a compounder, thinker, or decision maker, usually we know only two or three types of decision makers, but there is a new type of decision maker occurring. Or maybe that's the kind of decision maker that I am becoming over the period of time with all the experiences, conversations, discussions that I have with people around me. So, yeah, that's it, guys. That's it for today. I might review a book later on. I am very much excited to review a book on a video log because I love talking about books, okay? If nothing else, you will hear a lot of book recommendations from me, or you might just see me studying my books in front of camera, doing live study sessions with you all. I think this is the kind of niche that I want to build for sure, because I'm an intellectual person. Come on, guys. And I love to connect with people who are scholars, readers, reviewers, critiques, and writers as well, obviously. And I love to connect with indie authors as well. So, yeah. And I also applied for a TEDx University of Michigan speaking opportunity. I don't know if it's fake, real, whatever. I just saw the opportunity and then I applied it. I don't even know what is the entire process. They asked me to fill a Google form, I filled it, and I don't know. I might get in, I might not get in. Who cares? I'll create my own TEDx like monologues here, and I think you all might love it because you all love me, right? At least I think so. So I think that's all for today. And by recording these video logs, I think I am able to gain more confidence on how to talk to camera, how to yap, how to be a good storyteller. Come on, man. So maybe someday I will narrate some stories as well. All right. That reminds me, I completed a story graph today. I'm writing a novel, and nobody knows that. This novel that I'm talking about, it's only in this video that I'm telling you guys that I'm working on a novel called Serendipity. It's a secret project that I'm doing. And I just completed its entire graph today, like the entire plot today. And it is very good. I shocked even myself because I love to work on projects where even I am excited as a writer. It might not be the same case for other writers or indie authors, but that's the case for me. If a project can't excite me, can't, bring something out of me which I was not even aware of that I am capable of, then I don't really exercise that project or complete that project. But this story took something out of me which I did not know um, that I was capable of. And somehow a very beautiful thread was created while I was writing the story graph between the characters. And I'm excited. Earlier, I thought I will write a short story, but guys, I'm so poor at writing short stories because whenever I try to write short stories, I expand the world between the characters so much that it ends up becoming a novella or a novel. That's my shortcoming. I can't cut down chapters so easily between the characters and their worlds, but I'm trying. I really want to work on some really good, interesting short stories. I did earlier, if you check my Amazon account. So, yeah, that's it. I'll see you in another vlog because I think my brother is about to come and I will yap again more about my books, my journey, my stories, my upcoming news on other projects, secret chapters, etc., etc., or the type of characters or the type of world I'm building. But for now, good night and enjoy my yapping session and enjoy building yourself. That's the one take that I want you all to take from it, my videos, that believe in yourself, keep building yourself, get motivated from my videos, guys, to create your own YouTube channel. Yap as if 100 million people are watching you. You never know, maybe someday 100 million people will actually watch my podcast, monologues, or yapping sessions. Let's see how it goes. You're all here to stay. Watch me fumble and watch me fly. But good night.